Hello and welcome back, students. So we will today discuss similarity of figures, similarity of geometrical figures. So what are similar figures? The figures, the geometrical figures which have the same shape are called similar figures. So write the definition first of all. The geometrical figure that have the same shape are called similar figures. Now, what is the meaning of same shape? Same shape means they can have same size or they can have different size also. But their shape are same, means they appear same. Like if we discuss about trapezium, in which this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 45 degree, this side is 5 centimeter, this side is 8 centimeter, and if we write one more angle, this angle is already known 120 degree, this angle is 135 degree, and this side equals to this side. And if another trapezium is also there, which has this angle 60 degree, this angle 45 degree, this side 16 centimeter, this side 10 centimeter, this equals to this. So if you find the ratio 8 2 are 16, 5 2 are 10, so they are proportional to each other. Then these types of figures are the similar figure, though their size are different, but their shapes are same. So they are the similar figures. Now in our course, we have to read about similarity of triangle. Okay. First of all, we have to read about the similarity of triangles. So remember, two triangles are said to be similar triangle if first they have all three angles equal to each other. So write the first criteria. This criteria is called AAA criteria of similarity. First criteria is AAA criteria of similarity. Means two triangles having three angles equal to each other. We can say three corresponding angles equal to each other. Are similar triangles. Clearly, if their shapes are same, still they are similar, but if their size are same and shapes are also same, still they are similar triangle. Only one phenomena they have to, only one criteria they have to follow, that their angles are equal. For example, if we have a triangle ABC with angle ABC equals to 30 degree, angle ACB equals to 60 degree, and angle BAC is 90 degree. And we have one more triangle whose size is larger, but when we measure its angles, the name of this triangle is PQR. And if we measure its angles, the three angles are again 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Means first angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Angle ACB equals to angle PRQ. And angle BAC equals to angle QPR. Then it is said that triangle ABC is, this is the symbol of similarity, is similar to triangle PQR using AAA criteria. So write this in your notebook and remember it always and use it whenever you require it. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA criteria means three angles of first triangle are equal to three corresponding angles of second triangle. Degree and 90 degree, 90 degree. Now it also has a corollary. Mostly we use that corollary to prove the similarity. We can use this corollary also in place of AA. As when we were studying about this, angle ABC is 30 degree equals to angle PQR. Angle ACB equals to 60 degree equals to PRQ. Then we already know that the third angle must be equal as their sum is 180 degree. So if two angles are equal, third angle itself will become equal. So this corollary is called AA corollary. Okay. So we use this phenomenon to prove the similarity of triangle, and this is called AA corollary. In this, two triangles having two angles equal to two corresponding angles of other triangle are similar to each other. Now the question arises, if we take triangle ABC and triangle PQR or triangle XYZ in such a way that angle B is 40 degree, angle Z is also 40 degree, angle A is 70 degree, and angle Y is 70 degree. So are they similar triangles or not? Yes, they are similar. As if two angles are equal, only their directions are changed. So first angle, if we observe 70 degree, so we write angle BAC equals to this angle. XYZ. Reason we write both equal to 70 degree. Second, angle ABC equals to angle XZY. Why? As both equal to 40 degree. Means then we have to arrange them in order of the equal angle. As first angle is A, second angle is B, and third must be C. Equals to is similar to, sorry, not equal to. This time it is similar to triangle. First is Y, second is Z, and third must be X. And this is called AA corollary. So if two angles are equal, triangles are similar. Criteria 2 for similarity. Criteria 2. Criteria 1 is AA criteria of similarity. And criteria 2 is called not A, SAS. SAS criteria of similarity. SAS criteria of similarity means what? SAS criteria means if two sides are proportional, okay? Two corresponding sides of a triangle are proportional. And remember, angle between them. Corresponding angle between them are equal. Angles between them is two corresponding sides of two different triangles are triangling. They are of two triangles. Two corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional and angle between them are equal. For example, if we use triangle ABC and triangle PQR in such a way that two sides are proportional, means their ratios, the length of their sides have equal ratio. Means if side AB of triangle ABC is divided by side PQ of triangle PQR, and then this side is divided by this side, means side BC is divided by side QR. They are giving the equal ratios. ABC and in triangle PQR, if the ratio of the sides, ratio of two sides ratio of lengths of two sides are equal, then these sides are called the proportional sides, and angle between them. So look at the angle between AB and BC in triangle ABC. So which angle is lying between AB and BC? Means this angle which is covered by AB and BC is angle ABC. And angle between side PQ and QR. Is angle PQR. So we write angle ABC equals to angle PQR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And this criteria is called SAS criteria. Remember, SAS doesn't mean that two sides are equal. It means that two sides are proportional and the angle between them are equal. Then the two triangles are similar to each other. Now the third criteria. S criteria of similarity. So what is the meaning of SSS criteria of similarity? All three sides of one triangle are proportional to corresponding sides of other triangle. Then two triangles are similar. Okay, write the statement yourself now. If three corresponding sides of a triangle are proportional to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then triangles are proportional. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle MNL, in triangle ABC and triangle MNL, AB upon MN equals to BC upon NL equals to CA upon LM. Then it is said that triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle MNL. And this phenomenon is called SSS criteria of similarity. Now, how to use this phenomenon in proving the similarity, and how to use it in solving the questions related to similarity. We will discuss first. You have to read these criteria properly after writing in your notebook.